Hi, so in this video, we are going to see how to password protect an Excel file, a Word document, and a PowerPoint document. So let's say this worksheet file contains like critical financial information or personal information. You don't want someone to just have access to those information if, let's say, the person have access to the password of your computer. So, and another common issue is, let's say you want to share this information on the cloud or any type of online system. You don't want someone to have access to those information because we think that the cloud or the online system is very secure. It is not. Someone can always have access to your critical information that you share online, so you want that to be protected as well. And to do that, you go on for the Excel file, you go on file, and then from there you're going to see info. You click on info, then you have a protect worksheet. You click on protect worksheet, and you have encrypt with password. You click on encrypt the password. Then it's going to ask you for the password. Make sure you enter the password that you are going to memorize that password, because if you forget the password, there's no way you can have access to those information. So I'm just going to enter a simple password there. Okay, so I click OK. It's going to ask me to re-enter the same password, so I just enter the same password as earlier. Then I click OK. So this file is protected. So what I do is I can then go back, and when I click I want to close that file, I close the file. Then it's going to be say save. I want to make sure that I save with the new information that I provided. So this includes the password that I provide. So how to save? If you don't save, it's not going to save that password. So I click on save. So for the case of the PowerPoint, it's the same technique. You go on file, right? You go on file, and you go on info, right? And it say protect presentation. You click on protect presentation. It's going to ask you to encrypt the password. You click on encrypt the password. It's going to ask you for the password. Enter the password there. You want to make sure that you know that password, because if you forget, you lose all the information. I re-enter the same password. Then I click OK. You can see that it's protected, right? Then I go back. What I do, I close this file. Then I save. If you say don't save, you have to make sure that you save, right? I save the information. So I go on. This for a Word document, same process. You go on file, then you say info, then you click protect document. You click on that. You say encrypt the password. You enter the password. You click OK. You enter the same password again. Then you click OK. Then you can see that it's protected. I go back. Then I close the window. Then I say save, right? Now let's say this is what I'm using to record basically, so you don't have to worry about this. So now I go back. Let's say I try to open the same file. What is the file? Going to try to open the same file that I showed you earlier, right? So it's that file somewhere here. Okay. You see, it asks me for the password. So if I enter the password there, if I don't have the password, there's no way I can have access to that file. Then when I enter the password, then I click OK. Now I can have access to that. So now you know how to password protect your Excel file, your Word document, and the PowerPoint presentation that you are trying to share with someone. So please subscribe to this channel so I can continue to post a video like this, and more often I will post similar stuff, and also topics related to mathematics, computer science, and more. Thank you.